Hello and welcome. I'm Leslie Robinson, Communications Officer at Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ. March 15 is the deadline for filing your income tax returns. Every year, TAJ assists individuals and small businesses to meet their annual obligations through the Special Taxpayer Assistance Program, STAP. As such, in our efforts to serve you even better, we have developed easy-to-follow videos that will provide the information you need to prepare your tax returns. If you're a self-employed person who is looking for guidance with filing your annual income tax returns and contributions, you've come to the right place.
I am Courtney Johnson, Taxpayer Education Officer. This easy-to-follow tutorial video will take you through the steps to complete your S04A form. Before completing this form, here are some important things that you should know. 1. Who should complete this form? The S04A is for self-employed persons and persons with other sources of income to estimate their income for the current year. 2. Where is the S04A form available? This form is available on the e-services account on the tax portal and can only be completed online. 3. When should the S04A be filled and related payments made? If you started trading before the year for which the declaration is being made, it should be filed on or before March 15 in the current year. Payments should be made against your estimated taxes and contributions quarterly. These payments are due on or before March 15, June 15, September 15, and December 15th of the same year. But if you start a trade, profession, or business in the year for which your declaration is being made, your S04A is to be filed and related payments made before December 31st of that year. Number 4. What should be in place before completing the S04A form? An active e-services account, have your projected business, trade, income information from all sources for the current year or your statutory income for the previous year. Also, be sure to scan the documents you'll be using to support your declaration, such as your P24 and financial statement. And ensure that you can access them from the device being used to complete your S04A form. Now that you know a bit more about the S04A form, I will take you through completing this form step by step. Let's go. Step 1. Log on to the TAJ's website. To do this, click the word login at the top right-hand side of the screen. Enter your username and password. Remember that your password is case sensitive. Click Sign In at the bottom left of the screen. A page will be displayed showing all the services that are available on the TAJ website. Step 2. Access your e-services account. You can do this by selecting the Manage My e-services account tab. This tab is located on the main screen. Next, select Income Tax from the list displayed at the bottom of the screen. Using the link, select the filing period. Remember that the filing period for the S04A should be the 31st of December of the current year for which a declaration is being made. You can use the File Return link at the far right of the page to navigate to your return. Bear in mind that all of the words appearing in blue are hyperlinks. That will take you to the other parts of the form that you may need to complete. Step 3. Fill in your income information. This step has 3 parts to it. Part 1. Statutory income subject to estimated taxes and contributions. Go ahead and enter the accounting period. Your start and end date should not exceed 12 months. Enter your telephone number, email address, and NIS number. Remember that your NIS number will always begin with a letter. Next, check the circle that accurately states your residency status. Now, complete all the other fields relating to statutory income for the previous year or your projected income for the current year. You are now ready to click Next at the bottom right of the page to start part 2 of this section. Part 2, income on which tax is withheld at source. Enter the details of your income from sources that withhold taxes on your behalf. For example, your employment income, whether local or overseas, pensions, dividends, and interest. Next, use the Add button to upload your supporting documents such as your P24 and financial statements to verify your income and deductions. Don't forget that all fields with yellow triangles must be completed. Now click Next at the bottom right of the page and move to part 3 of this section. Part 3, your summary. You should be seeing the information you have provided organized in the following sections. Section B, estimated taxes and contributions payable. Section C, estimated quarterly taxes and contributions payable. Section F, statutory income subject to estimated taxes and contributions. Section G, estimated taxes and contributions calculations. Go ahead and review the summary and ensure that the figures are correct. If you need to make any adjustments, just click the Previous button at the bottom left of the page to navigate to the item you want to change. If your review of the summary confirms that the amounts calculated are correct, select the Submit button at the bottom right of the page. Finally, read the declaration and select OK to proceed with filing your return. An electronic copy of your return can then be generated and printed for your records. You have now filed your estimated income tax return. We hope this video will help you to complete your S04A form correctly and on time. Remember that all the questions you have been asked in this form are very important as they help us with calculating your taxes and contribution.
We hope that this video will help you to complete your S04A form correctly and on time. Remember that all the questions you've been asked in this form are very important as they help us with calculating your taxes and contribution. Check out other videos like this on our YouTube channel for more help with filing your taxes. You can also contact us for more information by emailing taxhelp.gov.jm or calling 888-TAX-HELP. That's 888-829-4357. Or you can visit the Taxpayer Education Team at any of our Revenue Service Centers. Thank you for watching and happy filing. In Tax Administration Jamaica, we continue to work together to serve you even better by changing the way we do business.